Here she is. I enjoy the white color because you could be a little bit dirty and still look great. Classic. Definitely understated beauty. Good job, BMW. Usually drive everything in comfort mode. You can feel the weight of the M5, but still feels extremely nimble. It's a treat to get in this, even to go grab some brunch. I mostly drive everything in the efficient and comfort mode, as well as automatic. The dual clutch feels great. The dual clutch is very snappy. The only interesting experience with it is when you're just getting going in first gear or reversing. It's like someone else is engaging and disengaging a clutch for you. It's not like a regular automatic with a torque converter where it feels direct and smooth. There's some engagement and disengagement. I do have downpipes in this, but the stock exhaust with the flaps always open, it's plenty enough sound for me. There's good sound deadening in the car, but if you open the windows, you get some good noise. When I was younger, I would definitely go for a louder option. Being my age now, and this being probably the ultimate dad car, I like it more mild under normal driving. It's a little damp out today. This thing has a tendency to step out if it's at all cold. Very useful setting I've seen on the vehicle information screen with the TPMS tire pressure and temperature. I've noticed as soon as you get your tires to at least 70 degrees, there's some traction there, but that all depends also about on the road condition and the weather conditions. Interestingly, being a slightly older car, this is a 2013 F10 M5. There are some rattles here and there. We'll have to hunt those down. I can hear them if I'm not blasting some good tunes. But the build quality is still great. Everything feels good. This car definitely is very subtle. I've owned cars that were way slower but looked way faster and they attracted more attention. This car just looks like a big sedan, pretty sleek. But I've seen videos of these tuned smoking Lamborghinis, Ferraris. Be different. A different BMW driver. Use your blinkers. I think people will like you more. I hope. Some people just don't like BMW drivers. find some open road to open it up a little bit. Hopefully on the way back home from the cafe. Let's see. Maybe we can downshift it a bit. Sounds pretty good. I have had the Burble tune from BM3 Pro Tuning Freaks on it for a couple hours. I took it off the car because the car came with a couple stage 2 tunes. The stage 2 non-Burble tune was a later revision, and it just feels to have a bit more power. I emailed BM3 to see if their latest aggressive tune with the Burbles is an equal tune with just the addition of that. Sometimes it's fun to downshift and get some pops out the back. I don't like it obnoxiously, but depends on the mood. Let's park it up. The cafe is over there, but the parking is always jam-packed. And